by the mass production of junk food such as potato chips, red Brussels, not the whole world, but the whole world. Not only.
Go. Wait, have you seen the movie Wall-E?
Yes. Have you seen the movie An Inconvenient Truth?
Oh,
Have you seen the movie Borat?
Order! Go! Let's hear. Yes, Ethan.
In the movie, it's not about the pollution, it's about the cost of human action. With all the respect,
This technology was the result of human action, right?
Okay, guys, we're only talking about pollution here. I offer also one negative effect of Industrial Revolution. Did you know that there are still colonies during that time? Colonies were exploited and those who conquered us became rich. That's why in our country, when we were conquered by Spain, they became rich while we became poor. Not like those like in the British colonies like in Singapore.
Mr. Yansuan, where would be, like I said, where would we be right now if England hadn't come to us? Do you think that we could be like this without them coming here?
Australia would have died.
Do you think? Tell me.
What Mr. Yamsuan was trying to say is that he was trying to highlight the negative effects of the Industrial Revolution other than pollution. For example, slavery. For example, children were forced to work back then for around 12 hours with less pay than their adult counterparts. The adults were also forced to work for 12 hours, and any unions formed would be violently suppressed by the government. How do you explain that?
Yes, sir. Did we learn something from that? Are we learning